This is a Btrieve Database file. It was huge in the 90s for DOS applications. Modern SQL viewers can't read it. You need a dedicated Btrieve file viewer or ODBC driver. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's access the data. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful BTR file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. The BTR format operates strictly under the rules set for the database file category. The data stream is defined entirely by the Btrieve Database format. A BTR file is a database file used by Btrieve, a high-performance transactional database management system. Btrieve is known for its speed and reliability, making it suitable for applications requiring fast data access and integrity. The BTR file stores the actual data records and indexes for the database. The BTR file format is a proprietary format designed for efficient data storage and retrieval. Btrieve uses a keyed, record-oriented architecture, allowing for fast access to specific records based on index keys. The database engine manages the file, ensuring data consistency and handling concurrent access from multiple users or applications. The BTR format operates under the official standards set by Pervasive Btrieve Database Manager from Action Corporation. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows provides only limited insight, so interpreting the data requires specialized database applications. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your BTR file and select Open With. Test Pervasive Btrieve Database Manager if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. If you are still having trouble opening the BTR file, do not worry. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, use Database Utility. Open the file using a database client that supports the Btrieve Pervasive PSQL database system. Next, run integrity check. Use the database tools butil command line utility, e.g. butil stat, to check the file structure and attempt to repair it. Finally, check program path. Ensure the application using the .btr file is running the same version of the Pervasive PSQL client ARC server. If the BTR file is still inaccessible after common methods, you've reached the limit of basic troubleshooting. The next professional step is to try powerful file analysis software. Stop letting Windows tell you the file is wrong. FileMagick has the unique ability to display content instantly, even when the BTR extension is missing or incorrect. Download it now at filemagick.com. Share this guide with a friend who needs the fix. And as always, please like and subscribe. Make sure you've bookmarked this video.